Every All-Flo AODD pump is identified by a model designation. The model designation matrix and the wet end and air end repair kit designation matrix will identify the appropriate kits needed to repair All-Flo's A series, C series, F series, and S series pumps. The details of the wet end and air end repair kit designation for each product series can be found at the bottom of Section 2 in the pump's manual. Wet end repair kits contain everything you need to repair the internal wear parts of the wet end area of the pump: a set of diaphragms, a set of backup diaphragms, 4 valve balls, 4 seats, and 4 O-rings. The model designation matrix for wet end repair kits is very similar to the pump's designation matrix. The wet end repair kit required for your pump is designated as follows. X, in this example, aligns to the pump's product series based on the pump you have. W and E represent wet end repair kit, and this pump size identified by 3 digits. The next section of the wet end repair kit designation identifies the materials of the wet end components. There are many materials to choose from to be chemically compatible for your application. The available materials for your particular pump model are identified in your pump's manual. Section 4 identifies the diaphragm material. Section 5 identifies the valve ball material. Section 6 identifies the valve seat material. And Section 7 identifies the material for the valve seat O-rings. The last section of the wet end repair kit designation, identified as P in this example, aligns to the material of your All-Flo pump. For the air side of the pump, air and repair kits contain everything you need to repair the pump's air valve. Air and kits consist of the pilot sleeve assembly and the main air valve assembly. The pilot sleeve assembly includes the pilot sleeve and a complete set of elastomers for repairing the sleeve assembly. The air valve assembly includes the air valve body, the air valve spool, an air valve gasket, an air valve lip seal, the air valve end plug, the air valve end plug O-ring, and the shuttle and shuttle plate. To identify the air end repair kit you need for your pump and application, the air end repair kit is designated as follows. X, in this example, aligns to the pump's product series based on the pump you have. A and K represent air end repair kit. The pump size, identified by 3 digits. And the last section of the air end repair kit designation, identified as P, in this example, aligns to the material of the air valve. There are a few exceptions in All-Flo's product portfolio that follow different repair kit model designations. This includes All-Flo's Specialty Series pumps, D Series, and G Series, as well as pulsation dampeners. D Series repair kits include components to repair both the wet and air end side of the pump. D Series repair kit part numbers are identified in Section 9 of the manual. Similar to D Series, the G Series pumps repair kits, which also include components to repair both the wet end and air end sides of the pump, are also identified in Section 9 of the G Series manual. Repair kits for All-Flo's P, D, T series pulsation dampeners are also identified by a unique repair kit part number. Pulsation dampener models and their associated kit part numbers are found in Section 6 of the PDT series manual. For more information on repair kits for All-Flo's pumps and accessories, including discontinued models, please visit the manual section of the download library on All-Flo's website.